In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal not sending verification code. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're trying to log into your PayPal account or you're trying to make any changes in your PayPal account and you're not receiving any verification code, so what you can do is to make sure that you're connected to a strong and reliable internet connection. So if you have a bad Wi-Fi connection, you might change to cellular data and see if it works. Now, the next thing you want to do is make sure that your phone is updated to the latest software available. Now, if it still doesn't work, you want to go to your general settings and go to iPhone storage. So for Android, this is the app settings. So just search for PayPal. So for iPhone, simply tap on offload app and reinstall the app back again. For Android, you want to clear its cache or clear its data and just simply reinstall the app. Now go to the App Store or Play Store and search for PayPal and make sure that your PayPal application is updated to the latest version. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.